creating a self-marking form using Flubaroo. Okay, so we've got a form here with different types of questions. I've got some multiple choice, I have some checkboxes, but I also have a long paragraph answer. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the responses, click the little spreadsheet icon and create a spreadsheet. So Flubaroo is installed in the spreadsheet. Click add-ons and get add-ons, which will open up the store. Flubaroo is the one that you want. Because I've already got it installed, it says manage, but you might want to say get this add-on. Now we're going to go into the add-ons menu and go into Flubaroo. If we enable Flubaroo without any responses, it'll tell us to go and populate. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill it out a few times. Now the first response is typically your marking criteria. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that it's easily identifiable. So I'm going to make my name the word answer key so I can see it later. Now put in all the correct answers. Now for our long answer response, don't worry about a correct answer because we're going to mark that one by hand later. Now what we can do is we can populate it with a few more responses. Now I'm just simulating my students' responses. Now Flubaroo is really good for marking black and white responses. It does have the ability for you to insert manual grades, but where it really shines is marking multiple choice and multiple choice style questions, where the answer is either right or wrong. I'm going to just insert one more. Okay, so here are my answers. Notice the top one is the answer key. Now what I'm going to do in the add-ons menu in Flubaroo, I'm going to select grade assignment. Now it's going to take me through a few steps. It detects that the first two questions, name and email address, are identifying the student. Now the primary color question has 2 responses, so I'm going to make that out of 2, and I've selected grade by hand, the final question, because I want to grade that one myself. It's asking me which response is the answer key. I select that, and Flubaroo works. So you can see here, it's given my students a percentage. Okay, I also have the ability to regrade the assignment as well. So if I get more responses, you can regrade the assignment. It produces a report and histograms. Now here's where I can add in my manual marks. And that's Flubaroo. This has been another Tech Byte.